times that I had to say I'm sorry for wanting so